Number 1. 1960 Chevrolet Apache, $3,500, Waco, Texas. This 1960 Chevrolet Apache represents one of the most iconic early American pickup designs, known for its clean lines and durable construction. Equipped with a 6-cylinder engine and a 4-speed manual transmission mounted on the floor, this truck offers a traditional driving experience. With 70,520 miles and a clean title, it appears to be a solid candidate for restoration. The fair condition suggests cosmetic and mechanical attention will be needed, but its originality and classic styling make it highly appealing to collectors seeking an entry-level project. Number 2. 1966 Jeep J200 Gladiator pickup, $4,000, Montrose, Colorado. The 1966 Jeep J200 Gladiator is a rugged and highly collectible 4-wheel drive pickup from Jeep's early truck lineup. Powered by a 6-cylinder engine paired with a 4-speed manual transmission, this shortbed truck is both functional and restoration-worthy. Despite the odometer rollover, it runs and drives, which is a strong advantage. The addition of a new radiator adds value. Its good condition and 4-wheel drive capability make it ideal for enthusiasts who want a usable classic with off-road heritage. Number 3. 1970 Chevrolet C30 Dually truck, $1,200, Leadville, Colorado. This 1970 Chevrolet C30 Dually is a heavy-duty work truck offered as a clear project vehicle. Powered by a 350 cubic inch small block V8 engine, it has not run since 2000, indicating significant recommissioning work will be required. The manual transmission is reported to be in good condition, and the presence of a diamond flatbed adds utility appeal. With a very low price and clean title, this truck is best suited for experienced restorers or builders looking for a budget-friendly platform. Number 4. 1956 Dodge truck, $5,000, Aurora, Colorado. A classic mid-1950s Dodge truck, this 1956 model features a 380D3 V8 engine and an automatic transmission, suggesting it may have been modified from its original configuration. With 100,000 miles and a fair condition rating, it is clearly a project truck. The styling of 1950s Dodge pickups is increasingly appreciated, making this a potentially valuable restoration candidate. Buyers should be prepared for mechanical and cosmetic work, but the clean title adds peace of mind. Number 5. 1977 Chevrolet truck, $5,000, Des Moines, Iowa. This 1977 Chevrolet 4-wheel drive truck is a solid classic utility vehicle with strong aftermarket and parts support. Equipped with a V8 engine and automatic transmission, it runs and drives despite having high mileage at 289,615 miles. The inclusion of extra doors and fenders is a notable bonus for restoration or customization. In fair condition, it offers a good balance between usability and project potential, especially for buyers seeking a dependable classic truck platform. Number 6. 1972 Ford F100 Ranger, $2,000, White Mountain Lake, Arizona. The 1972 Ford F100 Ranger is part of the highly regarded 5th-generation Ford truck lineup. This long bed example is offered as a project with a clean title and automatic transmission. The mention of upgraded 8-lug components and a newer differential suggests some mechanical improvements have already been made. Priced affordably, this truck is ideal for a budget-conscious enthusiast looking to build or restore a classic Ford pickup with strong aftermarket support. Number 7. 1976 Ford F100 Shortbed, $4,500, Beaverton, Oregon. This 1976 Ford F100 Shortbed is a desirable configuration, especially with its factory shortbed layout. Powered by a V8 engine and manual transmission, it runs and shifts very well, with minimal rust reported. Significant maintenance updates, including rebuilt steering components, new brakes, and suspension work, add real value. While the four-wheel drive system is not currently connected, the truck remains a strong candidate for light restoration or continued improvement. A clean title and solid mechanical condition make it a practical classic. Number 8. 1979 Ford F350 DY, $4,000, Denver, Colorado. The 1979 Ford F350 DY is a heavy-duty classic powered by a 460 cubic inch V8 engine paired with an automatic transmission. Despite being parked for over 12 years, it runs and drives well, which is impressive. The flatbed with a functional lift adds utility for work or hauling. With relatively low mileage at 59,368 miles and a clean title, this truck offers strong value. Minor maintenance will be required, but it is a ready-to-use classic workhorse. Number 9. 1984 Ford F250 4x4 Diesel, $4,500, Bellevue, Washington. This 1984 Ford F250 stands out with its desirable 6.9-liter diesel V8 engine and 4-speed manual transmission, often referred to as a trifecta among enthusiasts. With only 98,000 miles and approximately 95% originality, it is a rare find. The truck starts, runs, and drives, making it a highly usable classic. Its good condition, clean title, and four-wheel drive capability make it an excellent choice for collectors or those seeking a reliable vintage diesel pickup. Number 10. 1963 Ford F100 STEPSIDE, $8,500, San Juan Capistrano, California. This 1963 Ford F100 STEPSIDE is a standout example of a running and driving classic truck. Powered by an inline 6-cylinder engine with a 4-speed manual transmission, it offers dependable performance and vintage charm. With 75,000 miles, new tires, and good brakes, it is roadworthy at highway speeds. The body is reported to have minimal rust and is in surprisingly good condition, which is critical for long-term value. As a running restoration, it provides flexibility for buyers to either improve or enjoy as is. Its higher price reflects its solid condition and usability.